and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So for today's video we're going to try out this product here. So this is from Skin Proud. This is their Hair Proud and it's the Glass Hair Heat Activated Smoothing Shine Spray. So I think you kind of spray it on your hair when it's wet and then it's heat activated and it makes it look really like glassy and shiny. Well, at least I'm hoping so anyway. So you get 150 ml in here, which isn't bad at all. So it says on the back, it's got vegan and cruelty free as well. Instantly adds intense shine, smooths and helps to strengthen. Hyaluronic acid hydrates, adds moisture and helps to reduce damage caused by heat treatments. Heat activated polymers release a high gloss film that helps defrizz unruly hair and gives weightless shine until your next wash. Suitable for all hair types. And then how to use: apply to damp hair liberally in sections, avoiding the roots. Blow dry using a brush to create tension to release the encapsulated shine. So that is what we're going to do today. So this is my hair, obviously before I've washed it. It is a little bit greasy. But as you can see, it's not in too bad condition at the moment because I've really been looking after my hair. I've been using quite a few kind of new hair products that have been really suiting my hair, to be quite honest with you. But it is a little bit dry on the end still. It does probably need a trim, to be honest. And yeah, it's a bit, I mean, I'm blonde anyway, so it's a bit lackluster, should we say. It could do with a little bit of shine just there. And then, as I say, it's kind of like this on the ends. It is a little bit shorter on the front than it is on the back because I had kind of like a fringe that I've grown out. So what I'm going to do first is just quickly go and jump in the shower, do my usual, like, you know, hair care routine, and then I'll come back and we will try out this product. Right, okay, so all showered now. So I'm just going to take my detangling brush and brush through my hair first, and then we'll section it and put the spray on. Okie dokie. So I'm going to do this side first. So I've just got a sectioning grip just here. I think what I'm going to do is kind of go from the top. I'm going to do it all now and then we'll go through and blow dry it. So it says avoiding the roots. Is that, oh, it smells like coconut. Is that liberally enough? I'll just brush it through to make sure it's nice and even. And I'll take the next one. God, it's so windy outside. I'm trying to avoid the roots, but when my hair's, obviously my hair's shorter, if you had long hair, it'd be a lot easier to avoid. When it's shorter, it's quite hard to avoid the roots. Take this last bit. God, do you know what? I've been taking these Feel hair support vitamins, and my hair's grown so quick since I've been taking them. I can see, like, as I'm sectioning my hair, my roots have come through really quick. And I only did my roots about 3 weeks ago. Right, so that's that side done, apart from that very top layer, but I'll do that at the end. And then I'll just repeat the same all the way round. So I'm going to do this side and then I'll do the same at the back. Okay, so that's all the sides done. So as I said, I left this top bit till the end. So what I think I'm going to do is kind of put my hand over the root and just go over that last bit. I hope I'm putting enough on. It says liberally, but I feel like I'm really like covering it. Right, okay, so then it says to blow dry it with a brush for tension, which to be honest I always do anyway. So we will go ahead and do that now. Right, okay, so that's blow dried. So, I mean, it is still quite poofy, which it normally would look, you know, my hair blow dried. I've got a lot of hair, as in it's thick. It does look a bit shinier at the root, I will say that. But yeah, it's not kind of like, obviously, it's not sleek or anything like that. What I think I'm going to do, I have a feeling it's because when I use my blow dryer, I actually use like one of the coolest settings, so it might not be quite hot enough to activate it. So I'm going to straighten it, which I would do anyway. And when you saw me at the beginning of the video, it was straightened from yesterday. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that and see how it looks after I've straightened it. So that's the first piece. It does feel really soft, I must say. It feels so soft, softer than it normally does. So I'm going to continue to straighten the rest of my hair. Right, okay, so that's it all straightened. I'm well impressed. It looks so shiny, like really shiny, much more than usual. I would 100% say that that product has made a difference to my hair compared to my usual products. But yeah, it feels so soft as well. It feels like so soft and smooth, shiny. Yeah, and kind of like, yeah, glass-like, really. I'm really happy with it, really happy. If you have bleached blonde hair like myself, you'll know it is really hard to get like a shine on it. Often it's quite dull. So to get that on my hair is incredible. Yeah, really, really impressive. So as always, I will link the product in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes as well. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me. If you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.